Mamima wakwaba emfa umra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame adwowa searching ebusuafo ora Kofi Akpoloo ena okase na okire se NPP amayoku no monka mo akoma entumuyem na mon come back together na mon solve mon internal issues no na 2024 day by hook or by crook NPP betimi enwini akondwan because NDC they want to cross 4 years no is a more moody help 3 years ago I want to cross it now ora Kofi Akpoloo say yenti a Dr. Bawumia manfo kekasa about worry na de ade no nye bibia nti o asofo fom wo Ghana ha improve hu o mudi good Dr. Bawumia ne so e na kofa we na buy but ni na nka echi sinyame so besi wo hia nipa ne hwan is NDC for ile 2024 yakopon sheda e na ode abato ne so mo nsa so mo nje na Ghana fon hwa de keke yenya atremat nso light ne de ze wo de aduane she fridge ma ntumi ndi e chese e besai wo coaster na mi na abetu agu hallelujah nze me de nurses for mo kwakoti na fie chese
they now DJ we had almost 1 hour with you them DJ I phone you na say MPP you know omo you know me no yeah so mu ewe no ma omuma ne dampe omo spirit okay you can come back with Bawumia. Oh sure. Okay. They can come back with anybody. Oh okay. But Bawumia will be Bawumia by to be easy for them. Really? Oh yeah. In the sense that in February Bawumia what the most routine maybe. Who say you say you know people for the omani day to trust them ne sana manema. But Bawumia niema wa ye na abuli for Biblia adwene so. Say ya toaba no consider defeat. But people also blame him for that. No. I heard they come blame no wrongly. There are people who say operating on the door. Tobase. Yeah, there are people. I don't see. Obi obeka say bia no. Onim de ope oka. Come so do watch na buji kakra. I mean now the defeat was staring at your face. Who change exactly? Who 10,000 years? Who changing this? Exactly. He said all of us. It was no. Sabi obi ehunu je akwakosi. Yeah. Wajatum. As a gentleman. Ghana for so omo pe obi a odafo mo. Yeah. Ghana for mo pe kiki too much. Yeah. Omo pe obi a okasawoti. Yeah. What them can catch you say they want sweet talks. Exactly. It you know Bawumia no and at this time cry no so ebe boa nem and I boa o mont say yeah. O say you will not find a Kufa the dominance. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So it will be on his own. O say na people be kwa wo fie be say bia oba Kufa do betin chimni sa na say say Professor Mills. Any Rollins. Any Rollins some for so oba be say all the Rollins here. Honey, you guys said you guys who born dog. So much much not to boom. It you know, I just had to have Bawumia and I saw for now more din throne and I didn't turn so so. So I saw for Nina Bibrina and then you say a tobana a very different. Yes, and Tono Mechanic and which can turn a tone so okay. So the mission. And I idea Kwame Omoyomia. They can come back. Or muja so mujai ina mu kasa already so ne tokwa bi no mu ye no. That's Eugene. Obi say Eugene kasa ne doso. So open national chairman. Open national chairman kasa bibibi engu ade no fi. Ade a open engu no fi. Okay. O just say obi say go for be na so me yama kan Japan. Yeah. But Japan should stop them immediately. Okay. They are not happy kan Japan. Ghana for better to Obama Kenya Pom, let me DMPP him. But Alama go for be say that here to go against Kenya Pom. Yeah. Okay. Because people are looking for unity in the party. Then now, so how about those? I also call Bawumia. I was say you the one about I quite century. I saw Mujai. Okay. I don't want no boo name. I don't want no boo name. Obiatio. You know, went to me and the ometwasi. Okay. I know yeah, floating voters. So in that regard, no. Yeah. Oman tena nando asiana. See,
Akufo-Addo did a lot. Kwame me say me tena ha. Na me say Akufo-Addo anya hwea na me Kofi ni. Me Kofi Akpoloo me tia me twa say Akufo-Addo. So me assess no the performance, me can the behavior. Me can the performance
as a president
so what deliver on infrastructure, human development and a whole lot. If I'm to put them together, oni ubia all the so since Africa.
Really?
Yes, we will not see it today, but we'll see it in the future. Okay? I just Kwame Nkrumah. The way you know say time I move to Kwame Nkrumah, no be a Kwame Nkrumah so far so. But Akufo-Addo, I can tell you Kwame. I do my way no. Say me say even say they one time on. I'm not telling me canning one by one. Which my canning money and so visible. Yes, Kwame he has done a lot. Kwame, sir, agenda 111 now.
Yeah.
Ebia unya stages edudu. When 111 hospitals. Now one was the grand is form. So we say we'll see 111 hospitals across the country. Now stages are edua and one normally it is a but this one it didn't go. He's using internally generated funds to do them. It's an achievement.
Are you saying, sir, Nanado lay a better foundation?
Exactly. It's up to John Mahama to continue.
Okay.
So, Ojamane, Essaya, on
him.
Yes.
And there will be an indictment on him.
On him. So, he has every right to finish them. But also, often I say, I'm a monase.
So now, if I'm going by your analogy, say Nanado lay a foundation in terms of infrastructure development, in terms of governance, any policies are the best in Africa. How come the people with this racist party like that? Ghana for us say, Yantias Massey, and Ghana for us say, no, yes, but more into the past.
And also, Macassar Biatro.
Yeah,
they say Ghana for Encophobia, bit to my BBR, but one would disrespect a woman, they will punish you.
Ghana do a disrespect a woman.
Any question, the behavior be all
okay.
After or more.
So, Nanado's personal attitude
exactly
cause
the damage.
Okay.
Because one say I did also aqua to I info. Now guys were in sorry in shower. Wame was Nana no much.
Yeah.
I fear Ubeso I fear a year.
Yeah.
And you quite cover bimpuno. Nice will be answering. Most of Nanam at Yakunyam.
Yeah.
Or more 2 million a Wakunyana so. Etino Okachina on Soria. In a way, no, you are disrespecting the whole chieftaincy.
Yeah.